In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to all pages using Google Sites. If you want the same footer to appear across your entire website, Google Sites makes that process very simple. A footer is a useful space for information that should stay consistent on every page, such as copyright text, contact details, business hours, or quick links. Setting it up once can save time and also help your site look more polished and organized. To begin, open your Google site and make sure you're in editing mode. This is important because the footer can only be added and changed while you're actively editing the site. Once your site is open, scroll down toward the bottom area of the page. In Google Sites, the footer section is usually easy to spot when you move your cursor near the bottom. Next, click on Add Footer. This creates a footer area that applies across the site, which means you won't need to repeat the same information manually on each individual page. This is especially helpful if you're building a business site, portfolio, school project, or internal team page and want a consistent layout throughout. After the footer appears, enter the details you want to place there. Keep this section clear and concise so it's easy for visitors to read. Depending on your needs, you might include a short line of text, a notice, contact information, or other general site details. Since the footer appears on all pages, it's a good idea to avoid overcrowding it. Try to use only the most important information so the footer stays neat and professional. As you type, take a moment to check how the footer looks visually. Make sure the wording is readable and the spacing feels balanced. If needed, you can adjust the text so it fits naturally within the footer area and doesn't look too cramped. Once you're happy with the content, click Publish. This step is essential because your changes won't be visible to site visitors until the site is published. After publishing, your footer should appear across all pages of your Google site, giving your website a more complete and consistent appearance. And that's it. That's how to add a footer to all pages using Google Sites. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your site feels.